IELTS Life Skills B1 Speaking and Listening Test.
Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer, and I welcome you back to another session related to IELTS Life Skills B1 Speaking and Listening Test. These videos can be extremely useful for candidates who want to appear for IELTS general training or academic IELTS. Let's prepare another important exam topic. This is a recent exam topic, experience of a rainy day. Remember, in IELTS B1 Life Skills, the examiner is checking your ability to even talk about your past experiences, right? So, experience of a rainy day. This means that what did you do on a rainy day? What did you do in the past? Talk about an experience of a rainy day. When it was a rainy day and what did you do, right? So, for example, if this topic is given to you to talk for 90 seconds, what are the points that you can mention? Understanding that this is a B1 level test and I'm supposed to share an experience, something that happened to you on a rainy day. Or sharing an experience, maybe a rainy day from your school life, maybe a rainy day from your work life, maybe a rainy day when you went out for a trip, anything like that. But it has to be an experience, not your day-to-day life, right? You have to talk about it in the past tense. Let me give you an example here. Talk about an experience of a rainy day, right? You can mention what happened to you, what did you do, and how did you feel? Where did you go? What did you eat? What did you wear? Things like that. Let me tell you about an experience on a rainy day. 2 months ago, I planned to travel with my friends to an exotic park. We were ready. We all wore new dresses, we wore makeup, and we also booked a bus to travel. We were very excited. We all gathered and we just wanted to start our journey. But all of a sudden, it started raining heavily. It was a downpour. And we had to wait. When the rain will end, we will go out and start our journey. So we just kept waiting. It kept raining for 3 hours and it was heavy rain with thunderstorm. So we felt very sad and disappointed that we could not go out on time, and the bus was late as well because of the heavy rain. So we just sat and we had some tea and we waited till the rain will end, and then finally after 5 hours the rain ended and the rain was over, and then the bus arrived. We all sat in the bus and we traveled to the exotic park. The weather remained very lovely during the day. It was not too sunny. It remained very cloudy. Sometimes it was partly sunny too. This was my experience of a rainy day. It was not too pleasant for me. I can never forget that day. Right? So this is how you can talk about your experience of a rainy day. Because it is something that had happened to you, right? So you will talk about an experience of a rainy day.